To set up personal voice on iPhone 16e, we need to open settings. In the settings, we want to choose accessibility. Then over here, we need to scroll down until we find personal voice over here in the speech section. Then we can press create a personal voice, use Face ID in order to proceed. We have the description where we have to read 150 phrases aloud, which may take about 15 minutes. And then once we are ready, press continue. We can choose our language. So in my case, I'm going to choose English. We can also set the name for our voice. I'm not going to change it, but feel free to do that. And press continue. You should be in a quiet place. You want to speak naturally and you want to take your time. So let's press continue. Now we can also choose to use full phrases, like the default sentences, like this one over here at the top, or in the middle actually of the screen. Or we can go for shorter phrases that are a little bit shorter. So in my case, I'm gonna actually choose shorter phrases. And then on your screen, you will see these sentences over here in the middle. You want to press the red button at the bottom in order to start recording yourself and read those sentences out loud. I'm creating a personal voice with my iPhone. Now, if there is a high background noise or any other feedback that could be improved, then of course, you might want to either listen. If you don't care about it, then you can just press continue and proceed with next phrases, or you can check again in order to re-record your sentence. You can still press continue, and there we go. We have 1 out of 150, so we can, of course, well, we cannot really skip, but you should be able to go back after you record more and more sentences. You can also press done in the top left corner if you decide to stop at any point. So in my case, I'm gonna do that, and later on in the future, if you want to go back to setting up the personal voice, if you want to read more sentences, you can simply tap over here in the same settings. You want to tap on your personal voice. Once again, use Face ID. You might also need to use passcode. And then you can choose continue recording. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.